Hi, I am Abdullah Arif and I am a Unity game developer, and I am using Unity over 4 years now, and I love bringing your game ideas to life, and from making a prototype to a fully functional game. I have experience in making especially 3D games, and also I have experience in making the VR and AR games for your Meta Quest VR and Apple Vision Pro. And I can also build the multiplayer games using Photon or Mirror Engine servers. And I will work closely with you to make sure your idea turns out exactly how you want it. And I will keep you updated throughout the project. And if you have any requirement, you can just drop me a message, and we can schedule a quick call to go over your requirements, and let's see how I can help you. So if you have any requirement, you can just drop me a message, and we can schedule a quick call, and let's see how I can help you. So let's work together to create games.